channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a market or a net shopping bag. So I'm using this one. It's a chunky yarn, and always the brand is First Choice. It's only 99 pence there. We're going to start now. First, slip knot, like this one. Insert your hook and chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we go, guys. It's 20 chain. What we need to do is single crochet on the second stitch. Just insert your hook, and in every stitch or loop, one loop, you have to single crochet. It's supposed to be 19 single crochet plus 1 chain 1 there on your first stitch. So it will be count as 20. Total of 20. So repeat this process or stitch until you reach 5 times, or row 5, I mean. So you're going to repeat it 3 more. So you have 5 rows. Like what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm just doing the single crochet in every stitch. Now I finish it. Just chain 1 and turn, and then single crochet again for the third row. This is like a third row plus 2 rows plus foundation, our base chain. So we need 2 more rows doing the same stitch. So here we go, guys. I finished the 5 rows, 4 rows of single crochet plus our chain foundation or base chain. So what we're going to do is chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet in first stitch, and then chain 5 again. Just repeat the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitch, like 5 chain and single crochet in every stitch. That's what I'm doing. Just do the same pattern of stitching every stitch, chain 5 and then single crochet every stitch once you finish the chain 5. So guys, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's like ruffles, but don't worry, it's fine. So once you're done here for the last single crochet, all you have to do is chain 5 again, 5, and instead go to do the single crochet here on the first row in between. So single crochet there and do the same 3, 4, 5 and single crochet in every hole or stitch here in the middle, in between of the insert your hook there, and single crochet just like what you did. No worries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or just the same count. Just make sure you have the same count here. It will be only 19 counts in every rows because we use the chain 5 in every stitching, chain 5 and single crochet, so it's only 19 rows. It's the same process, guys. You don't have to worry about it. Just continue doing the same stitch until you reach your desired length. This is what it looks like, guys, when I finish the row 2 for our net. And this is the last single crochet. Just the same thing what we did, chain 5, 3, 4, and 5, and then just turn your works and single crochet again here. You will not lose your count, guys. Just do the same chain 5 and single crochet. Just repeat the same stitch until you reach your desired length. So I'm gonna do the stitching or the pattern, same pattern, until I finish the row 32 to 40. It depends how long you want your bag or your net bag, net shopping bag, how big this one. But I'm going to crochet until row 32 to 40, in between, depends. So guys, this is what it looks like. As you can see, this is a row 32. I am in a rows 32 rows now, so I think it's fine with me now, this size, because I just want a small size, and it's net, so it will be stretchable. What we're going to do for the last single crochet here, we're going to chain 1 and then turn your works, and then chain single crochet here on this side, single crochet, and then single crochet there. Now single crochet again here in between of this hole, and then all of the top 5 chain in the middle. You have to insert your hook and single crochet in each of that stitch, just like what I'm doing right now. Single crochet to have the same count to the other side. It should be 20 counts. It's just like that. Single crochet. To the last one, single crochet also, then chain 1, and then in every stitch you have 2 single crochet, and we need to do that the 4 more rows, same pattern, single crochet in every stitch, and I'll show you later. So here we go, guys. Finish the row 5 rows for this one. So what we're going to do is the handle. We're going to do the handle for here. Chain. We're going to chain. It's up to you how long your handle would be. For me, just check 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think my handle would be, if it's this 20, 50. I need 50 chain. So I finish up 50 chain. What we're going to do is slip stitch here on the other side, here, this side, slip stitch, and chain 1. And this time what we're going to do is chain or single crochet every stitch here. We're going to do the same here, and then here, stitch there. So it will be 5 also. So once you're done there, just single crochet every here in the middle or in between of that 5 chain. On the other side, just single crochet there. This is like our side, guys. As you can see, this is the side. So I'll finish single crochet until here. I finish single crochet them here on this side. So here I'm on the other side. Where we're going to do is chain 50 again for our handle. So once you finish the 50 chain, just of course slip stitch there and chain 1 and then single crochet again. 3, 4, yeah. Single crochet and every in between of that 5 chain to the side, to the side part of our projects or our toti or net bag, net shopping bag. So we reach here to where we started. We reach here this side where we started. So we're going to slip, we're going to single crochet also on that side. So we just keep doing the single crochet to whole stitch, and just continue here on the handle. Of course, single crochet also here on the handle. Keep doing that until 5 rows. You don't need to cut yarn by doing that. It's just continuously single crochet until here and where we started here again. If you want to place a marker, it's fine, it's better, so you won't forget where did you start here. So the handle, the first single crochet, it looks like this one. So I'll be right back and I'll show you when I'm done doing my 5 rows.